3,000 lang sa monthly down payment at 5K lang na reservation fee, may bahay ka na? Yes, you heard it right. Maganda na at sobrang mura pa dahil soon to rise pa lang ito sa Cavite. I'm sure paunahan na naman at mabilis lang ito maubos. Hello there, Kat and Rico here. This property is a 2-story townhouse with a lot area of 44 square meters and has a big floor area of 58 square meters. Kaya naman, kasya dito ang 3 bedrooms, very convenient dahil meron itong 2 toilet and bath. May service area at ang maganda dito, meron itong carport. Available ito through Pag-ibig Financing. Perfect ito for home or rental investment. Kung ikaw ay locally employed at OFW, pasok ka dito. Pwedeng-pwede din ang mga freelancers at VAs. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-grab mo na at wag mo nang patagalin pa at baka maubusan ka na ng unit. Again, this is Kat and Rico. The best time to